My name is Tyler Reckart, and welcome back to another screencast tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking my channel in a somewhat different direction and be doing some code tutorials. I'm going to be doing both visual and code tutorials to basically turn my channel into a web design center, because that's what I do for a living. I'm a web designer. And so today is going to be the first episode of my code series, where I'm going to be showing you how to create a basic HTML doc type, and edit that with CSS. So, some of the prerequisites are a code editor. I use either Mac Vim, which is for both Mac and PC. It is a free code editor and it is very good. Or I use, my preferred is Coda. This is Mac only. And there's also Adobe Dreamweaver. This is, of course, for both Mac and PC, and it is a popular code editor, but I do not like Dreamweaver for reasons you do not need to know. But I'm going to be using Coda. What I'm going to be doing can be done in either pretty much any text editor you use. You can do it in Notepad. That's how simple this is. Okay, so what we're going to do is open up our text editor, but wait one sec, is the other prerequisites are you're going to need this toolbar up here. It's called the Web Developer Toolbar. A link will be in the description. It is for both Firefox and Google Chrome, but I personally like the Firefox version. So this is what we will be creating today. Hi, my name is Tyler, and we're going to be changing the CSS to make it better. Okay? Close tabs. Okay, so should have done that. Open up our text editor, and in Coda it automatically opens up an HTML. So what I'm gonna do is turn this into a HTML document, HTML5, and by typing doc type HTML and closing that. Okay, and doing a double. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the language to English and go to HTML lang equals en. Okay. And as you can see, it kind of did that complete itself. We like that. So now what we're going to do is create a div tag. And we're going to do this by typing in div. And in Coda, as you can see, it does this itself, and it's really cool. As you can see, I moved the div tag down so that we can create a header. So we're gonna create a header. Close that, and we have our other header, and we're going to space in between, and we're going to type, "Hi, my name is Tyler." Okay. And if we go ahead and file save as, and we're gonna do example.html and save. Okay, what we're going to do is my default browser is Google Chrome, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it with Firefox. And as you can see, this is what we get. It says, "Hi, my name is Tyler." What we're going to do now is we're going to open up our web developer toolbar and go to CSS, edit CSS, and we should get something over here. And now I'm just going to hit enter twice to get down. Okay, now for the CSS part of this tutorial, let me find my code editor. Wrong thing. Okay, as you can see, all of our content is under a div tag. So to edit our CSS, we're just going to type in div, open curly brace, close curly brace, and anything we type in here will change anything, all of our divs. Okay, so what we can do is we can change the color, the font size, the font family, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you how to do. So to change the font color, what we can do is type in color and then colon space green semicolon, enter, and as you can see, it changed the color to green. We can say font dash size colon 30px semicolon, and if you leave out anything or if you type something in wrong, it will not change. And if you do type it incorrectly, as you can see, it will actively change. And what we can do next is go to font family Helvetica, and as you can see, it changed the font family. Now there's a lot of stuff we can do, and today is just teaching you how to basically create this. I'm not going to get into a lot of detail, but in further tutorials I will. So that's the basics for the header. Now we can create a subheader by going to back to our code editor and going under header H2, and we can type in "This is so cool." Okay, and if we save this, and we refresh our Firefox page, as you can see, our CSS did not save, but as you can see, "This is so cool" appeared, and we can obviously redo our CSS, yes. As you can see, I just typed something in wrong, so it didn't update, but when I redid it, it updated itself. And family. What font family could we use? I'm going to say Impact. Semicolon. And as you can see, it actively changes. So that's how to create a header and a subheader. There's a lot we can do. This is just the basic and introduction to my series. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. And for more code tutorials to come, I'm Tyler Reckart. So peace out.